Welcome back, Budget Babes. I'm so glad that you joined me today. We are finally getting around to the cash stuffing from Friday's payday. And I really need to get this done because I gotta go grocery shopping. So I'm glad you joined me. So let's just get started. All right. We have $410 if I've counted this correctly. 100, 60, 80. 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 360, 10, 20, 360, 370, 380, 390, 395, 400, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have $410 here to stuff in our wallet, and we're just gonna go right into the stuffing. Yeah, okay, well, it's bugging me too. You saw these 20s, right? Some are going in a different direction. Okay, I know somebody saw it, so I'm just going to correct the problem so that it's not a problem. All right, there. Now, that's done. All righty, so the first thing I usually do is I try to go through and see if I have anything left. And I already know. I only have something left in Family Fun. I had 20 bucks. I did so much better 2 weeks ago. I had something left in almost like a lot of the envelopes, but not so much today. So it is what it is. So we're going to take this 20 and we're going to just set it aside because it will be added to the 156 out of this that we're going to put into our savings. So let's start with the first thing on top. Let's start with our groceries. I often tell you guys, I don't pull out the groceries money, so we should actually get some fake money, right? And put $150 in groceries so that could be there. But since I leave groceries in my bank account, boom, that 150 is magically there. Okay, done. So, and then there is dining out. Oh, I hope treats. Well, guess what? Treats is going to be dining out today. Sure is, because I actually use a separate wallet for dining out. So let's see. This is my smaller wallet that I carry with me when I go out. So for dining out, we have $30 that we're going to put into this wallet. Yes, here we go. $30 fits in there nice and neatly. Okay. And then there is the just for me. So you may say, why do you have two wallets? Well, nobody wants to carry their entire bank account with them. So for me, for 2 weeks, this is like my cash bank account. And when I leave the house, I don't want to carry all of it because something happened. So I leave some here and I put some here. And then I take this small one with me when I'm out on the road. So that's what this one is. So now back to the story. Just for me, $75. So we're going to take 3 20s and a 10 and a 5. 3 20s, a 10 and a 5. That's $75 in just for me. So we can put that there. Okay. Then we're going to go to our next, which is gas. I usually put aside $80 for gas, and I also, like groceries, do not put that cash in here because I don't know about you all, but where I live, you have to get out your car, go inside, hand them cash. I'm not going through that every time I have to buy gas. So I leave the gas money on my debit card, so I just know I have $80 there. So boom, magically, boom, gas is done. Okay, next is home expenses or home repairs. And I like to set aside just $30 for that. And it comes in handy, especially when there are little things that need to get done around the house. So, and I did have some happen this past 2 weeks. So that's perfect. So that $30 goes there. All right. Then I have what I call the just for me healthcare. So that one, just for me healthcare. Let's see. We have the first just for me, and it's the second just for me. It's going to be my healthcare one. There it is. That's the one that I use for healthcare. So that's for like co-pays when I go to the doctor or something like that. So for this, I'm going to put $30 in there. Okay. Keeping up my health. All right. And then I have $25 that I like to put aside for gifts. And so we have $25 for gifts and charity. I put aside $40 for my pet. And I do put that with this wallet because sometimes I am usually out buying groceries, and that's when I buy the dog food. Guys, look at that. Ooh, another 20 I didn't spend. Yay. So that goes over there. So this 20 goes in here. Good. Very good. Okay. And then for entertainment, there we go. So for entertainment, I will put aside another $30. I've got to make change. How did I put myself in this bind? I can take this 20, put it here, and take these two 10s. Perfect. So $30 for entertainment. That goes there. And that concludes everything that goes into the wallets for spending. And I remember telling you guys that I wanted to put aside at least $150 for my savings. It was supposed to be $156, so I am short $6, but I'm sure it's because I probably used it for something. Listen, I knew I had to get this video done, and I was trying desperately not to spend this money, but I ran into probably lunch at work. I'll be honest with you, that's probably exactly where that $6 went. So we're just gonna move on with our lives, and we're gonna say $150, because look, we already have extra dollars that we can spend, so it's turning out really well for us. All right, so I'm gonna put that 20 here and add it to the $150, and put that 20 there and add that to the $150. So now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. 190 to go into our sinking funds. I am so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get our sinking fund binder. All right. So our first sinking fund, we have subscriptions, graduation gifts. Oh, Florida taxes, they're going to be due soon. Some fun. Oh, and saving for a kitchen floor and vacation. And we have not done any of these sinking funds. Anything that you see in here is empty. Look at that. Look at that. All that is just empty. So what we're going to do, and some of them need to be replaced because the kid that went to TWU actually graduated already. So I told you I haven't messed with these in a while. We are going to take these out. And I'm going to put just a little bit in here. I know it might say $75, but trust me, I already went through these and took out any cash that was in there. So let's start with our annual subscription, American Nurses Association. So let's see. I think we should take $20 toward A&A. And there was a time where I had more saved, but that is now $0. So we are going to kindly start over on this sheet. And we're going to say, what's today's date? 10/17, right? 10/17. And we're going to say $20 plus 20, which gives us a balance of $20. And we're just going to kind of cross out this stuff because that's old. All right, and we're going to put our $20 in there and tuck it away. I told you guys I was starting my sinking funds over, so this is me being real. Every year somebody graduates, so if it's not one of my own children, it's a friend's child. So I like to be able to buy a little something just to acknowledge their achievement. And again, you know what? I should just get some plain cash slips, but here we are. This is as real as it gets, guys. Okay. We're going to say that today's date is 10/17, and we are going to add $10. Add $10. There we go. All right. Put $10 in there. There we go. Now, we do have some family land in Florida, and the taxes are due in the fall. So I need to put aside money for that. So we're going to say $20. Today's date is 10/17. And we're going to say plus 20. So that gives us 20 bucks in there. Perfect. Okay. I don't even play Second Life that much anymore, so I don't know that I'll be keeping that subscription. So we're not going to fill that. In fact, we can take that out. That's gone. I really, really, really want a new kitchen floor. So I am starting over in my sinking fund here, and I'm going to put $20 towards it. Because if I'm consistent, I can get there. And that's the beauty of putting money aside in your savings, right? And we already went on vacation, so we used all the money that was in here. So that money is now gone, which is fine. We'll just start over with a new fund, right? Let's just toss that out. And I should probably do that on this little piece of paper from here, too. Cross that out. There we go. Waste not, want not. $20. And today's date, 10/17. And we are going to add $20 to here, which would give us a balance of 20 there. There we go. And that is where we're going to stop for this sinking fund. I want to go back to the savings that I keep in my black binder, because as you all know from my last cash stuffing video, I am steady trying to get Namari's little envelope up because she's going to be here in January. This is my new grandbaby, my first grandbaby. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck $100 in there for Namari so that I can get her monies up as quickly as possible, because it's about to be real. Like, it's about to start happening. So let's see what I have in here. Let's see what my total will be. 1, 20, 40, 50, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. $180. So I don't know what all that is, but my grand total is $180. I can even erase that. I think the red was there and it just got like erased. That's what I'm thinking. But here we go. And some folks are better at doing their color ends. You know what would be cool? I'm going to say one row is 180 or more. How about that? So now I've colored in a full row. And so when I get to another 180, I'll color in this entire row. I'm really just going at it with the opportunity to put money aside as quickly as possible for her. So that's what I'm doing. Very non-traditional. I know when it comes to the savings community and envelope stuffing, and I'm supposed to write the value on each. No, I have a goal. I'm trying to get there. I'm just stuffing cash. So that's what I'm doing. And that is all of my cash. I've placed it in my 3 different binders. I've even finally gotten back to starting over with my sinking funds. I'm very happy about that. And I know that part of me is doing this because I need to be encouraged. And just by like logging in and knowing that you guys are here to support and, you know, getting positive feedback from you all, that encourages me to keep going. So this is, I don't know, like my accountability buddies, I guess. And I appreciate that. So I have stuffed all my envelopes. I'm ready to keep moving with these 2 weeks. And I hope you guys will come back. Please like, share, and subscribe. And come back and join me in the next 2 weeks when I get ready to start my budget over and restuff my envelopes. I'll tell you how things go. And who knows, maybe I'll have a lot of cash left over that I can pass on to my savings and sinking funds. All right. Take care. Thanks for watching.